The candidate zeroed on is Faridah Nambi Faridah. I now present to you Faridah Nambi Faridah as the flag bearer. I shall officially invite all of you. Oh my God. We shall invite all of you to the Secretariat on the Tuesday top management meeting to introduce you to top management and hand over all of you to the Director of Mobilization and Cadre Identification for onward transmission to the Chairman of the party.
I am not comfortable, Mr. Chairman and Madam Chairperson. Why? You've known even the four, not the other two, they first came. So when I also came in, your process, Madam Mobilizer, started way back, picking the electoral colleges, the stakeholders, before one of us declared her candidate. Yes, I remember very well when you started. I have the records. When Madame Senide and Major Emma started, I have the records. That was when one of us, whom they have actually declared, had not come. She only came in on that day, or when the roadmap was being announced to us, the roadmap of the Electoral Commission. I'm standing here to curiously understand the parameters. If this is fair, sincerely, if this is fair, the first team you met, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and now we are almost on the last one, and we are making the decisions on the last. Why? I don't know whether those first groups, but no, the groups as also, because they were research here. I need lawyers to guide me on this. So Max says, no jakusa wenu. Akachiko ake district ne katulula. Akatono wekati. Ne muibuka ne mugamba mu declare nzani Nambi Faridah. She's my sister. As candidates, with due respect, you've seen even one of the candidates coming in when we are concluding. Why? She was invited. At last, I was invited here. When the first meeting started here, I was invited after 4 hours of this panel here. They called me when I was in the field that you are needed here, you are one of the candidates that are not here. I asked even the chairman, the national, our chairman, Pastor Ward. I said, what is that panel about? I don't want to bump into something I don't understand. He told me, you just come, all candidates are here, and the panel is here. I said, oh, for the due respect of my party, I said, maybe let me go and listen to the people, to the party stakeholders and my fellow candidates. If we are here to say that we all build a consensus and front one candidate and be behind, let us be fair. Let us be fair. So to me, I am not agreeing with the flag bearer or who you have chosen or the decision you have come or you have shared here. And I will declare to come as independent if the party does not sort this out. No. I will come as independent.
No, a minute.
If this is not sorted, Madam Chair,
okay, Faridah. Okay, just a minute. Okay, Faridah, just a minute. Faridah, just a minute.
So, n'ebigambo ebyo tugenda insha Allah Katonda bw'aliba ateeseteese ekyo n'amaanyi ge tugenda okuteekawo tugenda kuwangula akalulu kano aka by-election eya 2025 Kawempe ataaninga eyero tubeere nga tetuswaza mukulembeze wa ggwanga era ofiisi yange eri Kawempe Ngogo abasinga mugenda gimanya era bwe tugenda okubeera nga tuteeseza ebintu ebitutwala mu kampeyini ennene gye tugenda okugendamu. Mbasaba obuwagizi, mbasaba essaala zammwe n'ebigambo ebyo era ng'awo bwembeera sigenda kuvaawo tulabe nti tufuna obuwanguzi mu Kawempe n'ebigambo ebyo neeyanziza eri